Mutually exclusive event. Before we proceed to our topic, let us know what is mutually exclusive event. Mutually exclusive events are events that cannot occur at the same time. In other words, if one event happens, the other cannot happen. Examples: watching while sleeping. Ang mutually exclusive event po ay imposibleng mangyari. Ang mga halimbawa nito ay, kaya mo bang manood ng TV habang natutulog? Ang isa pang example nito, tossing a coin and getting a head and tail at the same time, which is impossible din na mangyari ito. When win and loss in a game at the same time. Ang exclusive event ay, ang mutually exclusive event ay mga bagay na imposible mangyari. Thank you for listening. That's all.